Guys, as I promised, I will show you how to install the v05. So what you will get from me is this. You will get 2 of them or 4 of them if you want all 4 wheels. This is the last version of the Confort kit. This is what you will take out of the car, okay? So we will substitute this with this with this, excuse me. The only piece that needs to be conserved from the original one, it's the insert, the bush that has the metal insert, okay? So you have this steel insert, the other one doesn't have, okay? To take this out, I used these Torx and this wrench. All you need is this is a 13 wrench, so you will go with the Torx underneath, and with the 13 wrench you will open it, it will go out and you will get this, okay? The only piece you need to conserve is this one, okay? Right now I took out the original ones. You have to take out both sides, okay? The left and the right side are out. So the bar is free, as you can see. You will lift it up, you will leave it that way. Then you will open the v05, okay? Take a look at the order of the sandwich, okay? After open it, and the first thing you will do, you will use the original insert that will go underneath, okay? Then the next piece and the next one, just as the sandwich I was telling you about first, so you will do it on the same order. This silicone bush right here holds its position because this has a lip and it has to be centered, okay? Right now it's centered. I will go forward with my sandwich, okay? As you can see right now, it's holding by itself. Then you have this piece right here that will go inside our stability bar. You should use some silicone spray, something like that, okay? It's inside, and we leave it this way. Right now I will do the second one right here. This is the right side. I will open my sandwich, take a good look at it. The order, as I was telling you, the steel bush, okay? This one, it's a little damaged. I will use another one because I have more. As you can see, you have this lip right here that has to go inside this, okay? That's why I was telling you, you have to center it until it goes inside, okay? Right now it's inside. And let's go forward. Okay. This spring right here holds the silicone bushes away one from another to center the main one, okay? It's very simple. This is do it yourself thing. You don't need any professional help. As you can see, it's very simple. You will, at this point, you will get it a little closer, you will center it, and you will make it go inside just a little, okay? Be sure always that you're centered right there. And right now let's go on the other side. I will show you what is happening here. Here it's also very close, okay? Centered. You will make it go inside just a little bit, okay? Take a look. Take a look. Just a little bit. And right now you will use the 13 wrench. I will use this one right here, and you will do this, and you will do a little bit on the right side, a little bit on the left side, okay? As you can see, it's using the ball to go, okay? So let's go on the other side. You have to be equal, has to be balanced, okay? Until you have enough room to insert the nut, the auto blocking nut. Okay, this is the final piece. Okay, okay, let's go on the other side. Okay, okay, take a close look at that. Be sure it's the way it should be. Right now I will use a faster system to get it closed. You have many options. You could use traditional tools, but right now I'm in a hurry, so I will use something faster. So I'm holding the one underneath. Oops, this is not blocked. Okay. Okay. We will try to go at the same level as on the other side, okay? Right now I'm doing this using just my eyes, but right now I will use this tool and a mix between Comfort and Sport. It's this 10 millimeters, okay? You see? We have 10 millimeters, so I should go a little forward here. I should have used the blocking system. Okay, let's see the other side. Right now here I'm good. Okay, just a little bit more. Okay, I'm good. For who wants more comfort, you can do about 9 millimeters if you want more comfort on this. If not, if the car is noisy, if you hear the stability bar, if you hear strange sounds that are coming from the stability bar, then you should straighten up a little more and you're okay. Hope this was good for as instructions, and if you have any problems, as you all know, I'm always there. You can contact me. I have WhatsApp, I have my number everywhere. So this is a bye-bye from Electric Mirk.